Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can receive money on Revolut. Now I'm going to be going over two ways in this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you don't miss how to do it. So the first thing you actually want to do is open up the Revolut app, and from here we can just tap on the transfers tab, which we can find in the bottom middle of our screen. So from here you'll find all these contacts that you've sent money to in the past, and the first way in how to do it is to actually click on a contact that you've already sent money to. So let's just say this person at the bottom, I wanted to receive some money from them. I can click this person and then I can click request. And then from here, I'm able to send a money request directly to this person. Now the second way I can do this is actually by creating a payment link. So I can click this new button in the top right corner and then come down to create a payment link, which we can find here. And then we can choose to request money. So here I can actually copy my link and send it to my friends. And then when they receive that link, they will have to put in how much you want to send. Or you can click request a specific amount and then you can choose the amount that you're looking to actually receive. So that's how you can receive money on Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.